Which of the following is not a basic element within the microprocessor? A. Microcontroller. B. Arithmetic logic unit ALU. C. Register array. D. Control unit. The correct answer is microcontroller. Which method bypasses the CPU for certain types of data transfer? A. Software interrupts. B. Interrupt-driven I/O. C. Polled I/O. D. Direct memory access DMA. The correct answer is direct memory access DMA. Which of the following is not an enhancement to the Pentium that was unavailable in the 8086, 8088? A. Pipelined architecture. B. Expansion of cache memory. C. Inclusion of an internal math coprocessor. D. Data address line multiplexing. The correct answer is data address line multiplexing. Which bus is bidirectional? A. Address bus. B. Control bus. C. Data bus. D. None of the above. The correct answer is data bus. DMA is particularly suited for data transfer between the A. Disk drive and CPU. B. Disk drive and RAM. C. Disk drive and ROM. D. Disk drive and I/O. The correct answer is disk drive and RAM. The first microprocessor had an A. 1-bit data bus. B. 2-bit data bus. C. 4-bit data bus. D. 8-bit data bus. The correct answer is 4-bit data bus. Which microprocessor has multiplexed data and address lines? A. 8086, 8088. B. 80286. C. 80386. D. Pentium. The correct answer is 8086, 8088. Which is not an operand? A. Variable. B. Register. C. Memory location. D. Assembler. The correct answer is assembler. Which is not part of the execution unit EU? A. Arithmetic logic unit ALU. B. Clock. C. General registers. D. Flags. The correct answer is clock. A 20-bit address bus can locate A. 1048,576 locations. B. 2097,152 locations. C. 4194,304 locations. D. 8388,608 locations. The correct answer is 1048,576 locations. What is occurring when two or more sources of data attempt to use the same bus? A. Bus contention. B. Direct memory access. C. Bus interruption. D. PPI. The correct answer is bus contention. Which of the following is not a jump instruction? A. JB jump back. B. JA jump above. C. JO jump if overflow. D. JMP unconditional jump. The correct answer is JB jump back. Which of the following was not a design improvement for the 8086, 8088 over the 8085? A. Execution unit EU. B. 16-bit data bus. C. Arithmetic logic unit ALU. D. Bus interface unit BIU. The correct answer is arithmetic logic unit ALU. Polled I/O works best when A. There are no priority considerations. B. Priority considerations are frequent. C. The polling rate exceeds 1000 S. D. The polling rate is below 1000 S. The correct answer is there are no priority considerations. Which of the following is not an arithmetic instruction? A. INC increment. B. CMP compare. C. DEC decrement. D. ROL rotate left. The correct answer is ROL rotate left. During a read operation the CPU fetches a program instruction, b another address, c data itself, d all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The first Intel microprocessor to contain on-board cache memory was the A80386, B 80486, C Pentium, D Pentium Pro. The correct answer is 80486. Which of the following is not an 8086-8088 general-purpose register? A. Code segment CS, B. Data segment DS, C. Stack segment SS, D. Address segment S. The correct answer is address segment S. Which of the following is not a computer bus? A. Data bus, B. Control bus, C. Timer bus, D. Address bus. The correct answer is timer bus. With interrupt-driven I/O, if two or more devices request service at the same time, the device closest to the CPU gets priority. B. The device that is fastest gets priority. C. The device assigned the highest priority is serviced first. D. The system is likely to crash. The correct answer is the device assigned the highest priority is serviced first. The Pentium can address A. 1 MB, B. 1 GB, C. 2 GB, D. 4 GB. The correct answer is 4 GB. A port can be A. strictly for input, B. strictly for output, C. bidirectional, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not a computer functional block? A. Analog to digital converter, B. Central processing unit, C. Memory, D. Input-output ports. The correct answer is analog to digital converter. The Pentium microprocessor has a data bus of A. 16 bits, B. 32 bits, C. 64 bits, D. 128 bits. The correct answer is 64 bits. The process of jointly establishing communication is called A. DMA, B. bidirectional addressing, C. multiplexing, D. handshaking. The correct answer is handshaking.